I have to admit, I'm a hard-working person.
Well, they're started now.
Yeah. Just about.
I'll move my foot, then you can spin it.
Oh, come on.
I'm just glad the gearbox is okay.
Seems like it.
Ethan, take a guess how much that gearbox is.
$4,000.
Pretty damn close.
You told me this before. How much was it?
I did tell you?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
4,500 or something like that. 46.
$4,600.
Nope, it just wants to go down the center of it.
Damn, I turned the camera on too late.
The damn cement. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, trying to get the gears off.
Yeah.
Whew,
Feel a little tight.
that was in there.
I turned the camera on a little too late.
Yeah.
Did you find them?
No. I don't think they're these ones. I think these are. Yeah, these ones come in there.
Are they down there?
That's what I'm looking at.
Because I don't know.
I don't either. I wasn't here when it was tore apart. Remember how he put these?
I gotta try to get that up there.
Yeah. Oop.
Without letting it fall like that.
Without cutting your fingers off. And I don't remember. How did you get this back end in?
Ow.
How did you get this back end in?
I just kind of rotated it and just kind of shoved it up in there.
Oh, there we go.
inside of it.
They painted the inside?
Yeah.
That's real smart. Oh. Okay, I gotta get those two pins to line up. They do not want to line up.
Yes.
Rubber mallet.
A rubber mallet.
Rubber mallet.
Where would that be?
Ask Jeremy. He had one last night. I don't want to go on. Because that pin's bent.
Ow. Ow.
Watch your head and watch where you're filming.
I'm trying.
Okay, grab that rubber mallet. Put the camera off for a minute.
We moved on to this one, number 7, because number 3 it isn't working.
Yep. Okay. Hand me that cap, Bob. Well, it wasn't working because the pin was bent. So Jeremy and Uncle Ron are working on it. Okay, hand me that rubber mallet. I think so. Pain in the ass to do anything with gloves on. Okay, that one don't want to start. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't want to go any further in. Oh. Yeah. Now, I need the Allen wrench heads to tighten them up. And of course, everything under here is soaking wet from the inch of rain we had yesterday. You son. What the hell? Why won't that start?
Well, you're weather thing was right, about 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. I swear that one started. Yeah. Oh.
Well,
Oh, fudge me. There, did you grab? I hate working with my hands above my head.
You're still missing one bolt.
Yeah, and I dropped the other one.
These are all.
Okay, before I cut. Let's see.
Ow.
Watch your head under here, Bob. God damn, I'm not left-handed. Shut up.
Okay.
yeah. Yep.
Now for the fun part. I gotta figure out where the holes are. Oh, you joy. units are back together, or all the snapping knives are on, or whatever they're called, the first knife. Now we're just waiting for this row unit. Well, it's freaking cold.
Here we go.
All right.
Gotta clean her up a little bit.
All that swearing paid off on the first one.
Yep.
Yep.
I better get some gloves.
We. Or that's the other one that had. Oh,
Let's take this. Oh shoot! Serious? We're gonna have to.
Don't tell me we gotta take them back off.
Yeah, it's that shield. This is kind of in the way. I gotta be on them splines. I might have to take this off. Unless, yeah, that's. So we can get it by that and stay on them splines. Here we go.
Brute force.
so it's on.
I think it's on the shaft because when I turn that, it's turning everything. So it's either that or.
I guess there's no way to come up.
That's what I'm wondering. I'm gonna.
See if we can come up through the floor.
No, there's
You're
just
hooked
no,
on the bracket. Right?
there's just no way. There we go. Ah.
Above now, it's just.
Now we're
twisting.
hitting right there. Oh shit. There it goes. We'll just have to go get a new carriage bolt. And we're gonna fight that one.
Take two.
What the hell?
Closer.
Is it gonna be a certain spline lined up or what? Oh, that thing's heavy.
And sharp.
Yeah, and sharp. Holy piss. How does that combine lift this thing?
That sure acted like it slipped over.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we need to go out with it.
Where's your pry bar?
You guys had it outside last, I think. Oh, there we go. That wasn't too bad. So what bolt? Yeah, not quite lined up. Okay. But then we can rotate it one way or the other. Oh, is it that bolt? Crap. Now I've got to turn it one way or the other. Oh, geez.
No, it won't spin.
Oh, there. I was like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
He did.
Yep. That's right. Whatever way.
Other than how are we going to get it up on that spline and then slide it down past those knives?
Yeah, we've got to.
Got to get it in first and then over. Or is it going over far enough to?
No, I bet we're gonna have to take these knives back off. Jeez, Jeff, why didn't you see that before? Oh, come on. Okay. We
Come in,
go.
up in.
Yeah. I don't know if we can. Maybe. Damn it. No, we've gotta turn that and. Oh my heel. There's no way to turn that, is there? Huh. Nope.
You're going to have to take that shield off.
Yep, this will do.
I got to come up under that.
Well, you had to beat this one down, so.
I got this.
Hell, I don't know. I hope not, because it's got to come up from underneath. We got to take that thing off.
Oh, that's got to about be on the inside.
Still gotta go down quite a bit.
We're hitting that.
Yeah, jeez.
Yeah, some dirty coming off of there.
Something's not going right.
Found up there.
I said it's hitting there. Why is it hitting there?
You don't have it timed right or what? Don't tell me this thing's gotta be timed. Yeah, it probably does with these.
How do you do that?
I don't know. Need a pry bar.
Yeah, you're spinning that, right?
No. We gotta go. Yeah.
Yeah, you're going right.
Why the hell's that one going the other way? I thought this should be going down.
No, because this will spin.
Well, this should be going. I thought this should be going down. We didn't get a. You can't get a gear backwards in there.
Hell, I don't know. Might have to go spin the header and see what it does.
So, yeah, because this pinches the corn and it drags it down. But I had no idea that that cuts.
Yeah, why would that be cutting up?
Yeah.
Well, that makes sense because your two rollers are pulling down.
Yeah, and the shield's here.
The
so
shield's
it's,
here, so it'd be throwing it that way. Yeah.
Roller's throwing it that way. So,
So
you're
how?
supposed to just barely knock on this.
Battery's dying. We're still hitting one of them knives pretty good.
Yeah. It'll wear. Yeah, it's supposed to be a millimeter. Is that a millimeter between there?
So that's what cuts the stock.
Yep. So, yeah, what is a millimeter?
I have no idea.
Not much.
Let's see. What size are them? 19?
Probably.
Where the 19 will go? 17.
Is that the 19 on the floor right there? To your left.
Probably.
Isn't much of a weather.
No. No, it's 18.
It's raining.
Where's the...
Feels like
Yeah.
You're gonna need your extension.
Yep. Oh, 10 billion different sizes. Yeah, we're hitting that front one.
That very front one.
Yeah, we're still going up. I'll put that thing on there.
guess that'll tell us whether or not we gotta replace it.
How in the hell did you compress that to as much as you did? Can it come my way any? No, I mean this thing.
No, that's about it.
That's about it. Need some with bigger muscles than me. I'll try and shove the bolts in. Ow. We just broke Johnny's toe. Okay, squish it, Ron. Okay. Why the hell? Why is that shooting up like that? Do we need to bolt this on first and then slide that other thing up in it?
Yeah, we might. I don't know if we can push that other thing, then yeah, that'll work.
Can you squeeze again? Yeah, as you start pulling, I can't hold it down like we did the other one.
Huh. Yeah, I guess let's try it the other way then.
Gotta take those bolts.
Yeah, we gotta take those damn bolts out of them.
Why is this being such a pain in the
I don't know. Things always are around here.
You want to tighten this down all the way, or?
I don't think, see what it would matter within if we did.
I don't remember what size they are. I think they were 19 or 17. I mean, I think that's what's on the.
Yeah.
Can we get on there and push, or can we get that tool on there?
Let's sober. Okay.
Hold on, we're not. Okay. Okay.
More?
No, I think you can get them in there now. Except we're lifting up.
Can you push down just? Okay, they're started.
Okay.
She moves now. Must have been that spring.
Spring, yeah.
Wow.
Well, we ain't got the bolts tight yet, so don't.
Yeah.
17.
Tight down.
I think that's what's on the gun, Ron.
Yeah, right here.
You don't have to be right in there.
So,
Oh.
Now they don't move.
Nope.
Oh. What the hell?
There it went up, so it moves now. went up.
So the only other thing we ain't done is change but why did that matter? Well, I guess change the shaft and that. Stick that other bolt back in. Can't quite tell because it looks like at least an inch.
I'm glad he remembered to put them on.
Yeah, it might look weird.
Yeah, that would have sucked to get that hanging up there and on there, and then where do them go to?
Yeah.
Yeah, now like you said, where do we put this one?
Where can you tell from that bolt where the other ones are? Then we can gauge it by that bolt.
I'm wondering if it needs to go all the way over, because
I don't know.
right now the center of the row is over here.
Yeah. Good. But it seemed like one of these bolts was showing and the other one wasn't, so.
Alright.
Ooh, damn spider would have ended up crawling on me.
Ooh! As long as it ain't black with a red dot.
Yeah, I've killed one in my garage down there.
Yeah,
my
Black
brand new
Widow?
house, yeah. Black
So-
Widow.
I usually find one every year when you cut corn. I don't know why that drives them in.
Yeah, I wonder that down there in that crawl space of mine, whether get a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And don't find me.
Yeah.
We went down in the crawl space a year ago.
Come on.
You need to slide back a little. Or is that?
It won't slide back. Those holes aren't.
That's where it is then.
There. There's the oil on the floor.
From the jug. Smart alecky.
That would suck.
Yep. That would. Smart prince.
Damn it. Bob, need a 17. 18. 5, 8. Okay, where the hell does 17 go?
It's over there.
You can stop filming. We're gonna be a little bit.
But I just started. This clip's only 12 seconds long.
Yeah, well, it's gonna be a little longer than that.
You'll have to label it time-lapse.
Yeah. That's a lot heavier now.
Yeah. Right. Let it down.
I just rested on my toe.
Oh. We can just get another block.
Get out of Jeremy's chair so we can roll around and put together.
That was on camera, by the way.
That's fine. I got a sensor button. McCall
No.
already told me
No.
that. Oh, wee! McCall already told me that I got a potty mouth, so.
Let's see.
Oh, that would hurt so bad getting sucked in there.
Uh-oh.
Let's see, I guess actually. Wee! And you can still get into them to tighten them if you need to.
No, yep.
My stomach's just a rumbling.
I'm hungry.
It shouldn't be. I had a good lunch.
You had a sandwich and a few chips.
And chips.
I had the same thing.
And about a half a tub of M&Ms. I shouldn't buy them big things because I just eat and eat and eat on them.
I have a few.
A few hundred.
I mean, they're...
I don't know if I can get that one.
Oh my goodness, have some babies. They're all in the combine.
Yep. They're all eating the grain.
No, they're all like on the... They're drinking the water.
Sorry. Only one.
Just one.
That way.
That's the way you go to unplug it.
Oh.
And hopefully after this, Jeremy will never have to go in reverse again.
Yeah.
You just jinxed it.
He's looking that corn on Jonathan starting to fall down.
Oof, I don't know if that's gonna go. I think these were a little bit longer. Jeez, come on. Maybe.
I can't bend it any further.
That bar is right in the middle.
Freaking engineers.
There we go.
As there's an engineer watching this video.
Probably is. I'll say it again. Freaking engineers. Kind of switched gears here.
Yeah.
We got tired of...
Need a little variety.
Yeah. I'm tired of cussing the row unit. Can't believe you got to replace the whole light. Jeez.
Yep.
Well, that means Monday we're going as late as we can go then.
Yep. Or Saturday night.
Yeah, I'll drive truck after work Saturday.
Yep.
Goes the other way. Other way. Other way. Turn it around. There you go.
There we go.
Your other left. Poor old truck. There's not a doubt in my mind that kid's mine. Because I'd be doing the same thing if I was his age.
What?
Huh? Nothing. Alrighty, that's the end of the day. Got as much put together as we could. And we're all tired, so. And unfortunately, one of us has to work tomorrow. Shut up. But, I think tomorrow he's going to try and replace some of the gathering chains, and then they're going to lift that piece up into place and get it put back in and whatnot. So we're headed home. We're going to drop Ethan off so we can grab the garbage can and pull it in. But that's the end of the day, guys. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.